these are things that are decided by the committee finally, and obviously one will go with their judgment. But I do think that this film is a tremendously inspirational film from India. It talks about female empowerment, while at the same time it's a very entertaining movie too. जी
क्या कुछ कमेंट आया आप तक का?
So far the reviews have been just incredible. जो 5-star reviews and 4.5-star reviews, stuff that you dream of when you make a movie. You hope that audiences will love it. You hope that critics will love it. You hope everyone loves it. And I think so far the response has been tremendous. We've released in the USA, we've released in the Gulf. The audience response there has been fabulous, and the reviews have been great too. So we're very, very happy.
फिल्म सभी को पसंद आ रही है. आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं इस फिल्म को लेकर? क्योंकि जिस तरह से ट्रेलर देखा गया और गाना भी आया, जिस तरह से बातें हो रही थी, आमिर ने जिस तरह से इमोशनल किया है पिक्चराइजेशन जिस तरह से, आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं?
हम बहुत ही एक्साइटेड है, क्योंकि इतनी मेहनत गई है इस फिल्म में. आमिर, द गर्ल्स, नितेश, द राइटर्स, the whole team from Disney, everyone's worked just so hard to put this film out there. It's really inspiring that, a small newspaper article could have inspired someone in Disney to actually, think that this is a film that could be made on a wrestler and his daughters. Going to Nitesh, sharing that with him, and then Disney and Nitesh going together to Amir and sharing the script with him, and Amir loving it. The whole journey of the film has been so inspiring for the entire team, and we're so thrilled to be able to put this film out there. These are things that are decided by the committee finally, and obviously one will go with their judgment. But I do think that this film is a tremendously inspirational film from India. It talks about female empowerment, while at the same time it's a very entertaining movie too. And I think it will translate across cultures. तो मेरा ये ख्याल है कि films that go to the Oscars really need to be ones that an international audience can appreciate. And I feel Dangal is one such film. There are only 52 weeks in a year. So 52 weeks में we make more than 240 movies. So invariably ऐसी बात तो, and you get very few sort of national holidays in the year on which to come. So such things are sometimes inevitable. I hope both movies do spectacular business. It'll be great for the industry. हम बहुत ही खुश हैं. Did you like the trailer? Yeah. So that film again has been such an awesome journey. Anurag, Ranbir, Katrina, again the team at Disney. We've all been so committed to putting out something that is a truly family film, from India, true blue Disney film. And we're very, very happy with the response.
दंगल की अगर हम बात करें तो आप मानते हैं कि पूरे हिंदुस्तान में ये फिल्म टैक्स फ्री होनी चाहिए?
मेरा ये ख्याल है कि this film should be watched by everyone. It should be watched by families. It's so incredible that a gentleman from a state like Haryana, which is traditionally known to be a very patriarchal society, was able to actually go against so many people in his community and do what he did for his daughters. And I think every Indian should be able to watch it, and I do hope that the film is declared tax-free in various states. Yes, it's in the process of that's in the process of coming through. So we are hopeful that the state governments of other states will also see it in the same light.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.